look at a woman like that?
I'm sorry. But you're beautiful.
Thank you. Looking at a woman lustfully is that.
Sorry. I'm Obiefuna.
Good. You can watch your step.
He's quite handsome.
She's beautiful. I should have asked for her name. I should have said something to her. For the first time in my life that I'm talking to a woman. I should have finished it.
Obiefuna! Obiefuna!
Eh? Ma?
What are you doing here talking to yourself? What is making you happy?
Mama, nothing.
It's him nothing.
Nothing.
It's already late. Let's go inside.
I should have taken a picture of him. Rain. Is this love at first sight? My goodness, I can't stop thinking about him.
Obiefuna. Obiefuna! You're still sleeping. Won't you go to the farm?
Good morning.
Don't you know what the time is? And who is this girl you painted here?
No, I don't know her. I used to see her in my dreams.
Obiefuna, have you started lying?
No. I'm not lying to you.
Get up and go to the farm.
I thought it was a ghost.
Ghosts don't run.
Then where were you running?
I wasn't running away from you. What?
Nothing.
Then why are you looking at me like that?
I can't help it. I can't stop looking at you.
Well, you have to learn to get hold of yourself.
Wait. I made it for you. Do you like it?
Well, it doesn't look like me.
At least I tried.
Well, try harder next time.
Thank God there's going to be a next time. That's good.
They say love is sweet. They say love is beautiful. They say love brings peace. They say love brings happiness. Oh, but all these days of love I've had over the years, I'm still confused if this is really love experience. Cause all I do is cry, sorrow and bitterness, but I still get.
This is just so beautiful. It is beautiful.
Who is this girl that wants to make you mad? Eh?
Mama,
what is her name?
Mama, I've told you I don't know her name.
You don't know her name?
Yes, Mama.
Is that possible? She's beautiful.
Yes, she is.
Are you not going to the farm today?
Mama, today is Sunday.
Oh, I forgot. Ngwa, come and help me in the kitchen.
Okay, I'm coming.
Oh.
What is keeping him?
Why are you here all alone?
What do you mean, what am I doing here all alone? Am I not old enough to stand alone?
Sorry. Please, what is your name?
What do you need my name for?
Just want us to be friends. I have been seeing you around, but I don't know if you are a ghost or a human.
Don't be silly. Why would you call me a ghost?
Stop making yourself look harsh. Okay, I'm sorry if I made you angry. So sorry. Sorry.
Hello. He told me his name. Obiefuna. Start it. Obiefuna. 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 Obiefuna.
They say love is sweet. They say love is beautiful. They say love brings peace. They say love brings happiness. But all these days of love I've had over the years, I'm still confused if this is really love experience. Cause all I do is cry, sorrow and bitterness. I still can't let go. Cause I'm in love with you. And all I feel is pain. Pain and agony. Is this what it means to be in love? Or am I in the wrong lane? Oh, they say love is sweet. They say love is beautiful. They say love brings peace. They say love brings happiness. Oh, but all these days of love I've had over the years, I'm still confused if this is really.
Hey! God has done it for us.
What happened?
God has answered our prayers. Chief Omelora has accepted to take you to the city as his apprentice. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes! To Lagos!
No, I am not going with him tomorrow. I am not.
Why?
Because I'm not ready. I need to get myself prepared.
No. Don't worry yourself. He has all that you will need. Oh, go and pack your things. Go, no gadro. Wait
first, I'm coming.
You have to be fast. We have a long journey ahead.
I don't know why you look unhappy. You don't have to look unhappy. Omelora will take good care of you. Omelora, please, take good care of him for me.
Oh, you don't have problem.
Oh. Thank you, sir.
Get into the car, let's go.
God bless you, sir.
Oh, you're welcome.
Panye. Good.
No, I came to tell you that I'm going to the city. I came to say goodbye. But can you please tell me your name?
My friend, hurry up. I told you we have a long journey ahead of us.
Okay, sir. want to go. I want to go.
What?
I want to go. I want to go.
By the time you come back to this village in 4 years' time, you will know that no woman is worth your tears.
That one is not my business. I want to go. I want to just go down and start going. What am I even saying?
Grow up. You have to help your mother.
They say love is sweet. They say love is beautiful. They say love brings peace. They say love brings happiness. But all these days of love I've had over the years, I'm still confused if this is really love experience. Cause all I do is cry, sorrow and bitterness, but I still can't let go. Cause I'm in love with you, and all I feel is pain. Pain and agony. Is this what it means to be in love? Or am I in the wrong lane? They say love is sweet. They say love is beautiful. They say love brings peace. They say love brings happiness. But all these days of love I've had over the years, I'm still confused if this is really love experience. Cause all I do is cry, sorrow and bitterness, but I still can't let go. Cause I'm in love with you, and all I feel is pain. Pain and agony. Is this what it means to be in love? Or am I in the wrong lane?
Obiefuna, what happened?
Nothing.
What do you mean by nothing? Where is Omelora?
He has gone to the city.
So why are you back here?
Nothing.
What is wrong with you? Obiefuna! Obiefuna! I'm talking to you! Obiefuna! Obiefuna, open this door! Open this door! Obiefuna, open this door!
My baby.
Mother.
You've been quiet lately. What is the problem?
Mother, I want to be left alone.
Come on. Baby, it's me. It's Mom. Is anything the matter?
Mom, I am fine.
You're fine. What's that? Wow! This is beautiful. Baby, who did this?
I don't know him.
Him? Someone from this community? Whoever that did this must be very, very talented. Where is he? Who is he? Oh my goodness. This is so real. Oh my gosh.
All I do is cry, sorrow and bitterness, but I still can't let go, 'cause I'm in love with you, and all I feel is pain, pain and agony.
Mama. Mama, what are you doing here? Didn't go Susu. Shame on you. Shame on you. Even in a wog. You're here crying because of a woman. Nekwa, the love. The love. Omelora wanted to help us. But you ran back home like a child. Ozunlam. Hell! I thought my son has grown. I thought my son is now a man. Mbano. The love. Because of a woman. When you have nothing to offer. Cobbleless. Chichijiro. Listen. Before I close my eyes and open them to the farm also. Obiofuna. Get up, I said!
Love is sweet. They say love is beautiful. They say love brings peace. They say love brings happiness. Oh, but all these days of love I've had over the years, I'm still confused if this is really love experience. 'Cause all I do is cry, sorrow and bitterness, but I still can't let go, 'cause I'm in love with you, and all I feel is pain, pain and agony. Is this what it means to be in love, or am I in the wrong lane? Oh.
Mom, I want to go back to Lagos.
Why?
Mom, I am tired of this place.
No, ma. A few days ago, I asked that we go back to Lagos. But you totally refused. Why this sudden change of mind? What are you hiding from me?
Nothing, Mom.
Nothing.
I want to go back to Lagos tomorrow.
Love is beautiful. They say love brings peace. They say love brings happiness. Oh, but all these days of love I've had over the years, I'm still confused if this is really love experience. Cause all I do is cry, sorrow and bitterness. But I still can't let go. Cause I'm in love with you, and all I feel is pain. Pain and agony. Is this what it means to be in love? Or am I in the wrong lane? Oh, ah, oh. They say love is sweet. They say love is beautiful.
My love, I hope you're not forgetting anything in the house. Talk to mommy. Talk to mommy. What is the problem?
Mom, I will be fine.
You will be fine. Please, talk to mommy.
Mommy, I said I will be fine.
Bifuna, you mean you have been seeing this girl around in this village and you don't know her name?
She didn't tell me her name.
Okay, where is her yard?
I said I don't know where she lives.
Bifuna, what is your problem? Eh? You don't know her yard. You don't know her name. Okay. See, if you know you really love this girl, you must find out about her. Or is she a ghost?
See, I don't care if she's a ghost or not. All I want now is to see her.
Yeah, very funny. Easy, eh? You will see her. You see her. I will see you in the evening. Let me go and see some of my friends.
Mom, wait.
What is that?
Mom, can we go back?
Why?
Nothing. I don't want to go back anymore.
No, but what is going on? Could you tell me what is going on?
Mom, nothing is going on. I don't just want to go back to Lagos anymore. Let's go back to the house, please.
They say love is beautiful. They say love brings peace. They say love brings happiness. Oh, but all these days of love I've had over the years, I'm still confused if this is really love experience. Cause all I do is cry, sorrow and bitterness. But
What is wrong with this girl?
they say love is sweet. They say love is beautiful. They say love brings peace. Doesn't love brings happiness? Oh, but all these days of love I've had over the years, I'm still confused if this is really love experience. Cause all I do is cry, sorrow and bitterness, but I still can't let go. Cause I'm in love with you, and all I feel is pain, pain and agony. Is this what it means to be in love? Or am I in the wrong lane? Oh,
Obiafuna! Obiafuna! Listen, if you don't stop this madness with that girl, I'll kill myself.
Mama, for the first time in my life, I want to behave like a man.
A man indeed. That is how you refuse to follow Omelara to the city.
Mama, Omerola is a ritualist and I don't like him.
Shut up! You're a fool.
Mama, I'm not a fool.
And I said you're a big fool.
Mama, I'm not a fool. I am not.
Hey, Kambiakwa. So you now talk back at me. You now raise your voice at me. Odema, I will kill myself today.
You won't drunk kill yourself. Mama, Biko, just stop it, stop. Mama, Biko, Mama, please stop this. Mama, you have to stop this now, please.
You have to choose between being a man and that girl.
Mama, I will stop everything about her. Please stop this, please, Mama. Stop.
I don't believe you.
Mama, I will stop every madness about her. I'll stop it. Please believe me, please, you have to stop this.
If I die on this, my blood will be on your head.
Mama, you will not die. Stop this, please.
You will go to the city with Melora.
Bam, I will. I promise, I will. Mama, I will. But you have to stop this now, please.
Don't touch me! Now, please, don't disappoint me. Oh? Keep your head straight and don't disrespect your master. Oh?
Yes, ma'am.
Anya nana. Wow. You know?
Madam, I'll send message across to you when we get to the city, eh?
Norma, you can't forget about this village boy. Forget about him. Move on and stop hurting yourself. What has he done to you? I can't. Just forget about him. You know what? Try hard. Forget him. Forget him. Whenever you see him coming on the road, keep your head straight and keep walking. Right?
Emeka, the next youth chairman, I am taking it. Pure.
Says who?
Me.
Don't allow Obika to hear that.
Don't go there.
Else.
Don't think of it. I am collecting the next youth chairman.
Cholesterol.
Good evening.
Evening.
Even.
Please, I want to talk to you.
Mama Shah, please import one chair quickly.
No. It's okay. It's fine. I don't want to sit.
Yeah.
I'm looking for that your friend.
My friend? Here. Oyibo, I have so many friends. So many friends, but which one are you talking about?
I don't know his name. He's tall and dark.
Oh, tall, black. Obiefuna. Obiefuna. He left for the city. He has gone to the city. Oh yes. Huh?
To the city. When?
Yeah. Too many questions. Obiefuna left to the city yesterday.
Sorry. When is he coming back?
Till thy kingdom come.
Obiefuna will report back from the city. Once his master settles him, bam! He will report here. He's my friend. Any problem?
No, there's no problem. I'm fine.
See?
Thank you.
If there's anything you want Obiefuna to do for you, I can do it better. He's my very close friend.
We can do it better.
This city girl and Obiefuna, I don't understand. Her drama is kind of
You don't need that girl. Those city girls.
Are you not thinking she's come on, man. Am I not? Come on.
My daughter, what is wrong with you? Did anybody harass you? Eh? What now?
Are you crying?
No.
Why can't you share what is eating you up? So we can find the solution together.
Mom.
Yes?
Please, can we go back to Lagos tomorrow?
No way. You cannot do this sabbatical for me. A few days ago you said we should go back to Lagos. On our way you changed your mind. Today you're telling me you want us to go back to Lagos tomorrow. That will not work. If you do not want to tell me what is eating you up, you can as well sit down there, cry as much as you want. Rubbish.
Hey, who is there? Mr. Man, give me Allen key. Are you deaf? Give me Allen key.
No, sorry.
What the phone, man?
What do you want?
Allen key, Ichirinte.
Already come.
Also, do fast.
We have two colors.
Does this thing look like Allen key? Hey! Idiot! Obobu! You must say Allen key.
So this is the way you send my customers away? Eh? So this is what you do?
I will not do anything.
Next time, come back and meet you in this mood. I swear, I'll send you back to the village.
Sorry, sir.
Where is Emeka?
I don't know.
You don't know? What is that you are holding there?
Sir, nothing.
You are holding my money.
It's not your money, sir. Sir, it's not your money.
Give me. You are busy drawing a woman. Eh? Drawing a woman. Uselessing yourself. Now, leave my shop.
Huh?
I said leave my shop. Leave my shop. Yes, what is it?
I want to go.
You want to go to where?
I want to go back to my mother.
You want to go back to the village so that you continue drawing woman? Eh?
Okay.
Obi,
Alpha.
what happened?
What happened where?
Why did he come back?
Is that how to tell your friend welcome?
What kind of friend? What kind of welcome? Welcome for a few days apprentice.
I am not doing again. Is it by force? Did you see her?
Did I see her? Now I know why you foolishly came back, Obi.
Mind you, I am not foolish.
Then what
I am not.
What are you if you're not foolish? Now, let me ask one question. This girl of a question. If you see her, are you going to eat her? Or is she going to change this your poverty level to a better level?
Do you know what you are? Okay, me. That is what you are.
Me?
Good.
Me? Uche.
What happened?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing? Then why are you here?
Ma, I don't like that place.
Ha! Obiefuna, you're a failure. Ibu atolo. Subadru. So this is why my son ran back from the city. We shall see.
Love is sweet. They say love is beautiful. They say love brings peace. They say love brings happiness. Oh, but all these days of love I've had over the years, I'm still confused if this is really love experience. Cause all I do is cry, sorrow and bitterness, but I still can't let go. Cause I'm in love with you, and all I feel is pain, pain and agony. Is this what it means to be in love? Or am I in the wrong lane? Oh.
And where are you going to?
I want to go and see Uche.
If you know what is good for you, you follow me to the farm. That is the only way I can forgive you.
Where's my food?
I'll get it.
My food.
Nah. Where is my food? Which food? Hmm? I do not feed a goat. You want to eat? Fine. Go out there and walk like other men. Oh?
My love, where have you been?
What is it? What is wrong with you? Are you stupid?
Oh, Defuna! Can you just stop this?
Stop! Come! Stop! Mama. No. Mama, stop! I've been looking all over for you in this village, just to see you.
Can we just end this drama?
We can't end it. Can't you see? This whole thing is choking me. Is it not choking you?
It's nothing choking. How could you? I just want you to stay away from me, please. I am.
Can you just... What is this now? Eh? Mama.
What are you doing here? Eh? Is this the way to the farm?
No, ma.
Come on! Will you go back to the farm before I break your head? Obiefuna! Eh? Come on, go to the farm!
Obiefuna. Obiefuna. Obiefuna.
They say love is sweet. They say love is beautiful. They say love brings peace. They say love brings happiness. Oh, but all these days of love I've had over the years, I'm still confused. If this is really love experience, 'cause all I do is cry, sorrow and bitterness, but I still can't let go, 'cause I'm in love with you, and all I feel is pain, pain and agony. Is this what it means to be in love, or am I in the wrong lane? They say love is sweet. They say love is beautiful. They say love brings peace. They say love brings happiness. Oh, but all these days of love I've had over the years, I'm still confused. If this is really love experience, 'cause all I do is cry.
There will be no food for you in this house until you change your ways.
'Cause I'm in love with you, and all I feel is pain, pain and agony. Is this what it means to be in love, or am I in the wrong lane?
The feeling chokes him too. At least I should have let him come closer. Noma, what is wrong with you? At least you should have let him touch you. Oh. You're still awake? Oh, Mom. Yes. You look happy this night. Yes, Mom. Do you mind sharing a bit of that with me? Not yet. Not yet. Norma, are you in love? Where is he? Mom, nobody. Okay. Alright. If you don't mind sharing that with me now, I will wait. Meanwhile, good night. Good night, Mom. Mom? Yes? Are you not forgetting something? Okay? You too. Good night. Good night.
Hey. Hey! Stop it! Come on! Come here! Come here!
Are they gone?
Yes. Are you alright?
Yes, sir.
That's your camera. Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
You okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Thank you very much.
It's okay. As you can see, there's a lot of rocks in this village.
Yes, thank you.
Don't always walk on this path alone, please.
No, I won't. I won't do it again.
You're right, eh?
Yes, I'm fine.
You can go now.
No. I can't walk alone. Please just walk me down a little bit. I'm scared. Please.
It's okay. Let's go.
They say love is beautiful. They say love brings peace. They say love brings happiness. Oh, but all these days of love I've had over the years, I'm still confused if this is really love experience. Cause all I do is cry, sorrow and bitterness, but I still can't let go. Cause I'm in love with you, and all I feel is pain.
How did it go? Mama, your son came to her rescue.
My son?
Yes.
What, you went to the 8th grade meeting?
Mama, your son hit my head terribly. My head aches.
Listen, you have to try again. Please.
Okay, so this is our house.
Please.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you mind coming in to say hello to my mom?
No. I'm going for our 8th grade meeting. Maybe some other time.
Okay, that's fine. Can I at least have your phone number?
I don't have a phone, no.
No, you are joking, right?
I'm serious.
You don't have a phone at this age.
Not everyone has everything at his age.
Okay, but please do come in so at least I could write my number for you on a paper.
Even if you write your number and give to me, I don't have a phone to call you.
Okay, I give up. But I still insist you come in and say hello to my mom.
Time.
The house is here.
Okay.
Mom, just come. Come and be forgiven. He saved me from the hands of rapists today.
What? Rapist? Are you okay? How? Where?
Mom, I am fine. All thanks to Obiefuna. He was there for me on time.
Good evening. You're the same man that picked my purse the other day at the market.
Yes, I am.
Today you saved my daughter from rapists. You must be a well-groomed man. Thank you. Thank you very much. Just give me a few seconds.
Come on, Obiefuna. It's just a seat.
It's very mifun.
No, but wait. You mean you're the one who picked up my mom's purse?
I didn't know she was your mother.
Are you serious?
Hey.
Do you know what that purse contained?
No.
Her international passport and some very important documents. Thank you. She was complaining about that person.
You see what happened that day?
Are you serious? She was still complaining. I didn't even know you were the one that picked it. You see how big it was.
Please, take. I can't thank you enough. Just take this.
No, Ma, I didn't do that for you to pay me.
Come on, I am not paying you. I'm only giving you some money to appreciate you for your kind gesture. Yes.
No, I don't need your money.
Take it.
And they say there are no longer good people in this world. Thank you.
It's okay, Ma. I'm going for our age grade meeting before that happened. So I'm already late.
No. You are having dinner with us today. So come. You're not going anywhere. Just come. No, you won't say no to my food. No.
Just come. It's
Come.
Oh.
Mama?
Is this your house?
Yes.
This place looks familiar.
Onye?
Mama. Hey. Mama, talk to me. What did she do to you?
Obiefuna, I want you to stay away from that woman and her daughter. She is evil and wicked.
But you've not told me what she did.
Just stay away from that family if you don't want to die. I know them too well.
See you here.
That is why I am here. We need to talk. We need to ask them what is going on. I need to get some...
Yeah. Go and start from your wicked mother. She's the one that needs questions to answer.
Good morning, Ma.
I don't need your money. Jide! Listen, I don't want to ever see you here or your mother. Get out of my heart before I lay my anger on you. Get out!
Mama, what are you people not telling us?
Listen, I don't want to ever see this girl near this house again. Go back to sleep. Go back or kill him. Sleep!
Why are you behaving like a village boy?
Don't call me that.
I did not call you a village boy.
You just called me that.
I didn't say it that way. I didn't mean it that way. I only said you're behaving like one.
Okay. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it that way. I was only teasing you.
Just before, sorry for yourself. I don't need your sorry. I don't need it.
Really? Is that how you want it? Alright.
Norma.
What is it?
I was saying I was sorry, yet you refused to forgive me.
Nah, forgiving you now.
I've heard you. Bye-bye.
No.
Norma.
If this is true love, why does it hurt?
I'm still confused if this is really love experience. Cause all I do is cry, sorrow and bitterness. But I still can't let go. Cause I'm in love with you, and all I feel is pain. Pain and agony.
No more.
Is this what it means to
Why can't I take you off my mind for a second? Why am I punishing myself thinking so much about you? This is real love, but it hurts. It's full of hurt.
But all these days of love I've had over the years, I'm still confused if this is really love experience. Cause all I do is cry, sorrow and bitterness. But I still can't let
go inside
go.
before you start telling me the story of how you saw a ghost.
And all I feel is pain, pain and agony. Is this what it means to be in love? Or am I in the wrong lane?
Hello.
Moi. Hello. Yeah, Chineke. Look, let me correct you. In this village, you do not just see anybody and say hello. You greet properly.
Okay, I'm sorry. Good afternoon.
Afternoon to you. What can I do for you?
Please, can you deliver this letter to Obiefuna for me, please?
This letter?
Yes.
To my friend, my personal person, Obiefuna. You don't have any problem. This letter will get to his hand direct. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you very much.
Don't worry.
Please, make sure you deliver the letter to him.
You have no problem. See, this letter will get to his hand. In fact, right now, I am going to his house right away.
Okay. Thank you.
Beloved. The web. Shock. Fiercely. Can you imagine this beautiful girl? She loves Obiefuna so much and she wants me, Uche, to deliver this letter to Obiefuna. We shall see. Obi, hey, my man, my man, my man.
How are you?
I'm okay, I'm good. I have a package for you.
What package?
Yes, from that city girl, that fair-looking complexion girl. Yes, this is the package. This letter is from her to you, through me. Deliver.
They say love is sweet. They say love is beautiful. They say love brings peace. They say love brings happiness. But all these days of love I've had over the years, I'm still confused if this is really love experience. Cause all I do is cry, sorrow and bitterness, but I still can't let go. Cause I'm in love with you, and all I feel is pain. Pain and agony. Is this what it means to?
Did you not see me?
And then? If I see you then, so what do you want me to do? To bow for you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry I didn't greet properly. Did you get my letter?
Or you have the gut to open your mouth to ask me if I got your insult? Yes, I got your insult. Thank you.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
How would you understand? You're now using me to learn English. Okay?
But I didn't do anything.
What is it? What is it? Leave me alone and go home. Go home.
What wrong did I do to you? Obi! At least explain. Obi, please, at least. Did I do wrong? It was just a letter I read. Oh!
I shouldn't have shouted at her. What kind of love is this?
They say love is sweet. They say love is beautiful. They say love brings peace. They say love brings happiness. But all these days of love I've had over the years, I'm still confused if this is really love experience. Cause all I do is cry, sorrow and bitterness, but I still can't let go. Cause I'm in love with you, and all I feel is pain, pain and agony. Is this what it means to be in love? Or am I in the wrong lane?
I am sorry. I'm sorry for shouting at you. Please.
It's okay. I'll be fine. I'll try to put you off my mind.
Mama. No, please stop. Please wait. Please. No.
Just leave me alone.
I said I am sorry.
What wrong did I do to you?
You give me the... You insulted me in your letter.
I did not.
You did. Look at it. See.
This is not the letter I gave to him to give you. This is not it.
That means he gave me the wrong letter.
But I didn't write this.
Okay, Nay, I am sorry. I didn't know. I'm so sorry. Okay?
It's okay. I've forgiven you. Can I go now?
I know you're still very angry with me. But I've learned one thing today.
Which is?
Love should be greater than anger.
Did you see the letter I wrote for you?
No,
You didn't see the content.
not.
I said your love is magical, and it has caught me in its web.
Sorrow and bitterness, but I still can't let go. Cause I'm in love with you, and all I feel is pain. Pain and agony. Is this what it means to be in love? Or am I in the wrong lane?
We need to know what they are hiding from us.
I've tried asking my mother what the problem is. She's still very angry.
You know, I think this problem is more than what we are taking it. My mother has not been the same since that day.
What are we going to do?
Yes. Let us revolt.
Revolt?
Yes.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, let us rebel.
I still don't understand the meaning.
Oh, goodness. Okay. What I'm saying in essence is, let us do something that will make them angry. Let us stand against them.
My mother is not that kind of person.
Oh.
She will kill me.
Lord, can you just stop behaving like your mother's toy?
You're insulting me now.
That is not an insult.
Anyway, I am going to the farm. We'll talk later.
Well, I'll go with you.
My mother will kill you.
Let her kill me. Let's go.
Please go back. I don't want any trouble. Please.
There will be no trouble. Let us go.
Just stay back. Stay back, please.
Huh?
Stop following me.
Why are you shouting? Are you a town crier? Why are you shouting? Let's go.
Just go back. Stay back, please. I don't want any problem.
There will be no problem. Let's go. Let's go now. Let's go.
They say love is sweet. They say love is beautiful. They say love brings peace. They say love brings happiness. Oh, but all these days of love I've had over the years, I'm still confused if this is really love experience. Cause all I do is cry, sorrow and bitterness, but I still can't let go. Cause I'm in love with you.
Letter writer, you thought you fooled me. What are you talking about? Look, I didn't do anything. No.
Stop lying.
Just thank your God that I'm in a good mood, because I would have fed you with sand. Stupid. My love, let's go.
Hey, just stop lying.
Obiefuna and this is it girl. How did it happen? So Obiefuna and this is it girl are still meandering on all the tricks that I use.
What is keeping this boy? Eh? My son! Did you see my son Obiefuna?
I saw him along the road with that city girl, Norma.
You saw him with Norma?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. What are you doing here, you murderer?
I haven't seen my daughter.
Does this place look like a police station to you?
If you know her whereabouts, just tell me.
I don't ever want to see you in this house again.
We need to talk.
There is nothing to talk about.
I searched for you for 3 years. I looked everywhere for you. And I have kept looking for you ever since.
Leave my house. I said leave my house. Leave my house. Leave my house. Leave my house. Leave my house.
Hit me. Hit me again if that will make you happy. Hit me if that will make you hear me out. I'm not leaving this place until you hear me out.
Seven years. 7 years of hardship and heartbreak. It was all your fault.
No. It was an accident.
But you did not deny being responsible. Neither did you accept killing him.
Because the mob wouldn't let me explain. Neither did you give me any chance to explain too.
I promised myself that whenever I set my eyes on you, that I must take my revenge. And I must do it.
Is that why my daughter is missing?
I haven't seen your daughter.
Please give her back to me. Give her back to me.
We are still talking about my husband. He barely got his life back. And you suddenly came and took him away after years of battling with cancer.
I wasn't responsible for his death. I am sorry you lost him.
What happened? Tell me the whole truth.
I parked my car by the side of the road.
Who is all out this car?
It's my car. What happened?
So you killed this man and you want to run away?
No, I didn't kill any man. My car was parked right here. What happened? I didn't hit him. Please help me. Let's take him to the hospital. Help me.
My husband. What happened to him?
Madam, is he your husband?
Yes.
This woman here hits him and wanted to run, but we caught her. Thank God you are here. Don't let her go. If anything happens to your husband, hold her responsible.
Wait. You did this to my husband. It's not what you think. Hey! My husband! Wait! No! Get up! My husband! Mother!
No, sorry. I didn't do it. Sorry. Sorry. I didn't do it.
What have you done?
I didn't do it.
What are you?
I didn't hit your husband and the bike man. Instead, the bike man hit my car.
And when you finally came, you did not show any remorse.
Knock, knock. Who is here? Who is here?
Yes. Good afternoon.
You murderer. You killed my husband. It will never be well with you. Never!
Calm down, woman. Just calm down.
Did I hear you say calm down? You're wicked. You will suffer.
Here is 100,000 naira. Use it to take his body home for burial. If there is anything else you need, let me know.
You have no remorse. You have no conscience. You came here to offer me money. Let me ask you. Can this money replace my husband's life, you will suffer. Take your foot. Okay.
It was as if you came to flaunt your money to me. As if you came to tell me that I couldn't do anything.
I am sorry. I looked for you. I looked for you in that same house. People said you have bad. Somebody brought me to another house. And when I came there, someone said you moved after 1 week. I made a report to 2 police stations, but no one could find you.
I was heartbroken. So I left town to find peace.
I'm so sorry I put you through all that. I'm so sorry. I'll do everything within my ability to make sure you are happy again. I am sorry.
Hey, Nova, hey, Nova, please, wake up. Somebody help me, please. Somebody help me, oh. Somebody help me. Nova, please wake up. Nova, somebody help me. Somebody! Come, please help me. Please.
No, I know what's wrong.
Please, I'm begging you, please. Go and look for somebody anyway. Please, I'm begging you. Please. Oh my God.
Take me home.
I'll take you home, okay? Please. Please, stop. Don't do this.
Take me home.
Mama, how could you have the heart to do that to her? How?
But I said I'm sorry.
It's not enough. Sorry is not enough.
What else do you want me to do?
You have to repent. Mama, total change. We have to go to their house and tell them that you're sorry, and that has to come from your heart.
Come to say goodbye. I love you. Always.
Ne, you're not dead. Please don't go. Please don't leave me.
Till we meet to part no more.
Please wait.
Ne. Mama. Noah, stop
not dead. I hate you! I hate you! You are a murderer! God forbid. God forbid.
Nah.
God forbid.
Oginipa.
God forbid.
What is it?
God forbid.
Oginipa.
God forbid.
Obiefuna.
I'm still confused if this is really love experience. Cause all I do is cry, sorrow and bitterness. But I still can't let go, cause I'm in love with you. And all I feel is pain, pain and agony. Is this what it means to be in love? Oh,
You're happy now, yeah? Are you not happy? Are you not happy now?
What is it?
Are you not happy now?
Ogini.
Norma is dead! Norma is dead, yes! I will never forgive you. I will never forgive you.
Obiefuna. Obiefuna.
She was all I had.
Mom, I know. And I'm so sorry for her death. My mother took her life this morning. I know how you feel. But I promise I am going to help you in any way a child can help a mother. I will always be around. But please, I want you to take me like your son. I've already taken you like my mother. But if you don't want to take me like your son, you can equally take me as your servant. And I will do anything you want me to do. I'll do anything to make you happy. Thank you very much, Mom. Thank you.
I'm going to London next week to take a short rest. At least to unwind. To ease off your tension. Take care of myself a bit.
Mom, I don't know what to say. But I pray that God will guide you, protect you, bless everything you're going to do. You're a good woman. You're very kind. May God bless you, Mom.
They say love is sweet. They say love is beautiful. They say love brings peace. They say love brings happiness. Oh, but all these days of love I've had over the years, I'm still confused. If this is really love experience.
It's heartbroken.
Sorrow and bitterness, but I still can't let go. Cause I'm in love with you, and all I feel is pain. Pain and agony. Is this what it means to be in love? Or am I in the wrong lane? Oh. They say love is sweet.
Mom, do you need anything?
No. But you've been working since morning. You need to take some rest.
I'm almost done. I will rest when I'm done.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Am I really doing this?
Ma?
Oh, nothing.
Obi. Obi. Obi.
Come.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you eaten?
I'm about to do that now.
Okay. When you're done eating, come and see me in my room.
Hmm? I came to thank you for your clothes.
Hope you tested them.
Yeah, I did. And they're all nice.
They look good on you.
They're all so beautiful.
So go and enjoy.
Thank you, ma. Thank you very much. God bless you.
What a nice boy. He's really nice. I'll do everything to make him happy.
What you're doing is not right.
It's right, just hold me.
No, it's not right.
Just
Stop
hold
it,
me.
stop it.
Just hold
Stop
me.
it.
Touch me.
No, stop it.
Touch
No.
me. Just hold me.
Stop it. Stop it.
Is this a dream? What sort of dream is this? Am I really crushing on this guy? Confused.
I wish you could see me. I wish you could hear my voice.
What is this? I've warned you severally to put away this picture. That this picture reminds me of my pain. What are you doing? You said you were going to try everything to make me happy. Meanwhile, you're bringing me down memory lane to remember my pain. She was my life. She was my all. Is this the happiness you promised giving me? Asking you to put it away does not mean I do not love my daughter. It's for me to be able to survive. You bringing it up like this, you remind me of the happiness we both shared, of our joy, of the beautiful times we had together. If you keep doing this, you'll be leaving my house.
Mama, I'm sorry, but this is the only thing that makes me to remember her.
Really?
I miss her too. I miss her a lot. Having her picture makes me feel good.
You have to leave. The pain is choking me. I wanted us to live together as a family, so that I can pick up the pieces of my life together. It is like you don't want it. You can leave.
Oh, I'm sorry. I cannot do without this picture.
It's okay. Leave.
is sweet. They say love is beautiful. They say love brings peace. They say love brings happiness. Oh, but all these days of love I've had over the years, I'm still confused if this is really love experience. Cause all I do is cry, sorrow and bitterness, but I still can't let go. Cause I'm in love with you, and all I feel is pain, pain and agony. Is this what it means to be in love? Or am I in the wrong lane? They say love is sweet. They say love is beautiful. They say love brings peace. They say love brings happiness. Oh, but all these days of love I've had over the years, I'm still confused if this is really love experience. Cause all I do is cry, sorrow and bitterness, but I still can't let go. Cause I'm in love with you, and all I feel is pain, pain and agony. Is this what it means to be in love? Or am I in the wrong lane? They say love is sweet. They say love is beautiful. They say love brings peace. They say love brings happiness. Oh, but all these days of love I've had over the years, I'm still confused if this is really love experience. Cause all I do is cry, sorrow and bitterness, but I still can't let go. Cause I'm in love with you, and all I feel is pain, pain and agony. Is this what it means to be in love? Or am I in the wrong